Thank you for coming to Baikoen Bonsai Kenkyu Kai's 58th annual Winter Silhouette Show. Enjoy our show.
Chinese Quince by Ted Matson. Ginkgo Force by Greg Koffel. Kiyohime Japanese Maple by Tom Lau. Princess Persimmon by Kenji Akari. Catlin Elm by Robert Pressler. Ginkgo Force by Brian Grant. Catlin Elm Force by Ellen Keneshay. Korean Hornbeam by Alex Marin. Hawthorn by Takuo Nakamura. Trident Maple by Lindsay Shiba. Flowering Apricot by Tom Lau. Shohin Display by Peter Mackesy. Crepe Myrtle by Kathy Benson. Small Leaf Linden by Jack Reynolds. Chi Chi Ginkgo by Manuel Dizon. Chinese Elm by Jacqueline Zander. Trident Maple by Dave Miles. Cork Bark Maple by Joe Galgool. Flowering Apricot by Ken Tay. Cork Bark Chinese Elm by John Nielsen. Hackberry by Giovanni Casades. Chinese Elm by Mary Morrissey. Liquid Amber by Cesaro Perez. Flowering Apricot by Shirley Kwan. Shi Shiho Hime Japanese Maple by Ed Clark. Shohin Display by Steve Valentine. Ginkgo Force by Robert Hujabin. Chinese Elm by Robert King. Chinese Elm by Carol Upston. Corkbark Elm by Michael Roberts. And finally, in the Tokonoma, Cedar Elm by Jaime Chivera.